Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you an inexpensive yet elegant home decor DIY using these antique gold shadow boxes that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Now let's get started. The first thing I did was remove the contents from each of the frames, including the black metal tabs. Next, I used a strong adhesive to glue each of the glass pieces back to its original frame. I then used that same adhesive to glue 3 of the shadow box frames together. I then removed the sticker and black tabs from 2 4.5-inch Dollar Tree mirrors before adding them to my design. I placed my mirrors down just to the right of the frames before adding my 2 remaining shadow boxes. It's important to use an epoxy glue instead of hot glue, as both the mirrors and the frames will require some adjusting. Once I was happy with my placement, I allowed my design to dry for a full 24 hours. I repeated those steps to make a second piece, but for this one, I placed the mirrors on the opposite side of the frames. I also placed the top mirrors and frames down without glue and marked where each of them should go so that they would not require so much adjusting. I also made sure to clean all of the glass, especially the mirrors, because once the top frames are in place, I won't have access to them. Here I'm using a Dollar Tree ruler to ensure that both pieces have the same measurements. The following day, both pieces were strong, and the clear glue that I used was not visible from the front of the design. At this point, you can add additional glue, but these pieces are super lightweight, so I didn't think that was necessary. Because these pieces are so lightweight, I decided to hang them using large Velcro command strips. However, you could also use nails, but I would recommend that you reinforce the corners with hot glue. Just before hanging up my designs, I came across these adhesive mirrors at my local Dollar Tree, and I thought that they would be perfect for this project. Once I added these tiny mirrors around the perimeter of my designs, I had something that looked like this. These designs are pretty enough to serve as vanity trays, or you can place several pieces together to make a large gold wall decor. For now, I've decided to place these beautiful gold pieces in my front foyer, and I think that they're beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Be sure to visit my new online store at www.glamhomedesigns.com. And a special thanks to all of my new channel members.